And here we are installing a Blackwater Alert onto a 3-inch pipe. Here's the 3-inch Y, and what we've done is we attached a thread to slip fitting on here with Teflon tape. Just tightened it up a bit. Okay, that's snug. So what we did is we assembled the Blackwater Alert with the relief port. This is 1.5 inch to 1 1/4 valve, and then I put an elbow on here that goes slip to cap. So we'll end up gluing the device like so and leaving it in that position for alarm. So all it really takes from this position is to get a little PVC glue on here. And then we'll slip the 3-inch elbow on and then leave it in position that we want it. So in this way we can replace a battery when we need to. If there is a backup, and the backup heading this way up into the house, we can drain it off before we snake it. So this Blackwater Alert has been tested several times before we put it on, so we understand that it's alarming and there's a new battery in it. It should last for over a year.